Hello, everybody. It's time for the tea. I'm Allie if you're new here. If you are, welcome. Thanks for joining us. If you're a regular, thanks for coming back. I hope that everybody really enjoys these emails and these videos because I like doing them for you. And this week, we're going to talk about something important. So if you enjoy the tea, I also now have an email that goes out on Saturday mornings, and it's called Dear Allie, and you can write in questions about piercing related things, and I answer some of them each week. But because I'm also getting all these questions coming in, I'm seeing a lot of repeat questions, and I figured that maybe this was just a good topic to discuss. And I think some of us are guilty of this out of love, but you still have to be told no. It's so important. So today's topic, or this week's topic, is over cleaning and taking care of a piercing. Yes, you can over clean a piercing. You don't want to be touching your piercing really at all, except for when you're cleaning it once a day. You over cleaning, you're still moving it around, you're still causing trauma. You're going to prolong your healing process. You're going to cause irritation. You can cause different kinds of bumps and things like that because of that irritation. So just don't do it. Don't do that. Don't over clean it. Don't over love it. Don't feel like you have to spin things around. No, that's all so bad. If you are going to touch your piercing to clean it once a day, make sure you wash your hands first. That's so important. Also, take care of your body. Drinking water, getting good sleep, eating well. Take care of yourself. I probably shouldn't have done that. But seriously, taking care of your body and making sure your bedding is clean and anything that you're sleeping on is clean, that's also really important and going to help you have the safest healing time possible. Let me see. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything that I wanted to tell you about with this. Oh, things that you shouldn't be putting on a piercing, healed, brand new, or anywhere in between. On any piercing. I don't want to hear about anybody, no alcohol, no peroxide, tea tree oil. Oh gosh, I've been hearing so many bad things. No, none of that. Only saline solution or your sea salt soaps, whichever you prefer, and hot water. That is it. You really don't even want to use soaps. Some piercers might recommend a certain soap, and if they do, you're going to want to do that so gently and, again, once a day. You don't over clean. Don't do it. It's not good. Also, something I learned in the process of making sure that I had all this information for you today is that some people have kind of been asking, I took out this piercing that I've had forever and I think it closed immediately. That can totally happen. Sometimes you can have a healed piercing that you've had for years and years and years and you can take it out and it can close up really quickly. Isn't that crazy? Just a random little free bit of information for you. Before I forget, please don't forget to follow us on social media. We love you. We appreciate the follows in advance because I know you're going to go do it. We are on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at BodyCandy. We are bodycandy.com on Snapchat. We are facebook.com/bodycandybodyjewelry, youtube.com/bodycandybodyjewelry, pinterest.com/bodycandy. And of course, our website is bodycandy.com. Don't forget to use the coupon in this email to treat yourself. Valentine's Day is very close, so if you're going to get anything for yourself or somebody else, make sure you're ordering now. We do ship worldwide, but you want to get it in time. You want to give it time to get there. I think those are all my PSAs for you. So thanks for joining me for the tea. I will be on Facebook Live tomorrow at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Then right after, I will be on Instagram Live. I don't know if anybody caught that, but that will be happening every Friday. I will be on Instagram Live somewhere between like 1:45 and 2. Probably more like 1:45-ish. And also I'm going to be posting a poll on Instagram at some point today. Please go take the time. It's going to be an Instagram story to vote. I'm going to be doing YouTube live videos as well, which I think might be more accessible for some of you, but I need to know times. I need to know what's best for everyone. All right. I just said everyone, so it's time to go. Thanks for joining me. I'll see everybody soon.